A reflection on John 9, Clay and Light. In the beginning the earth was without form, and God bent low, shaping dust into divine likeness by breathing. Centuries later another Adam stoops. He spits into the soil, mixes water with earth, and presses clay upon unseeing eyes. Not punishment, but creation. Not condemnation, but reformation. Who sinned? They asked, as if blindness were a curse, as if suffering were proof of guilt. But Christ spoke a different tongue. This is so that the work of God may be displayed. Sin is not the dust upon us, it is the shuttered heart, the refusal of light when light stands before you. And the man went down to the waters, like creation's river, like baptism's flood, and returned with vision. Clay dissolved, eyes opened, darkness split apart by dawn. From Genesis to John, the story circles back. Adam, Adame, adobe, clay, remade, water flowing, light shining in the darkness, and the darkness cannot overcome it.